In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Redstone torch with a button. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, if you place a button like this, the Redstone torch only goes out temporarily. Of course, the best way to do this conveniently is going to be with a lever, which allows you to set the state of the redstone torch. But if you want to use a button exclusively, then you will need something like this. So to start, you will place a block down, place a button on the block. I'm going to do it over here to make it simpler to see. Then you drag a redstone line out of that block with the button. You place another block here with a redstone torch on the side. Now you will have to place a bunch of repeaters in this order. Here, here, another one going into that repeater, and then another one from the block into here. With this done, you will place a block in the top right corner, and now a redstone torch, and you can now drag the signal around like this. I'm going to disable this one because it's interfering, but basically after you do this wraparound, you are good to go. You will now be able to drag it wherever you want. So make sure that the signal is going over to this repeater here. So I'm going to drag this redstone signal away into this piston to demonstrate how this works. So now every time that you press a button on this block, it is going to essentially switch the connection. So as you can see, the piston stays on even though I'm pressing a button. So you can press a button which essentially acts as a lever by disabling the state of this torch, and instead of swapping it immediately, it will remain either enabled or disabled. So all that you have to do is build this system. Now, of course, depending on the effect that you want to achieve, this might not be functional. However, it is an easy enough method to make a button act essentially as a lever. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off redstone torch with button. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.